Hi, this is Gary Plotzer from Loan Market. It was nice talking to you. I'd just like to make this commitment to you that we'll work 110% in achieving your goal of getting you the best loan, the ideal loan, so that you can purchase your first home or your next home or your investment property. You can bank on us to find you a great home loan. 5 tips buying your first or next home. Buying a home is an exciting process, but you do need to be prepared. With so many home finance options on the market and a great deal of changes in legislation and lending criteria over the last 12 months, there are several things you need to consider before beginning your search for the right property. Number 1, financial considerations. Most lenders will require a deposit of at least 5% of the total purchase price of the property you intend to buy. Generally, the 5% must be shown to have been saved over 3 months. This is the so-called genuine savings criteria, and the total of 5% held for at least 3 months. Now, not all lenders demand that you hold the total 5% for 3 months. There are 1 or 2 that are flexible on that. And so if you're in that situation, then we obviously will point you to those particular lenders. Number 2, organise a home loan pre-approval. Before even beginning the search for your first home, it is worth securing a home loan pre-approval, regardless of how much you are intending to borrow. An official written home loan pre-approval will give you clear guidelines on your borrowing capacity, allow you to negotiate or bid at an auction with confidence. It also means you won't waste time looking at properties you can't afford. Number 3, buy within your limits. Much as we might want our first home to be perfect, the reality is that as a first home buyer, you'll probably have to settle for something that's not quite your dream home. Work your way up to being able to purchase the type of property you really want. Being conservative with your first property purchase can pay big dividends down the track. Not only are your payments easily manageable, but you will accrue equity much quicker, allowing you to upgrade or move into a property investment much earlier and more easily than if you had purchased at the edge of your limits to start with. Number 4, budget in an interest rate rise. When determining how much you should borrow, you need to take into account the possibility of interest rate changes to ensure that you can continue to service your loan should rates rise. The general rule is to allow for an increase of around 2 to 3%. Number 5, get the right home loan. Before applying for a home loan, consider your goals for the next 1 to 5 years. This can be a critical factor in choosing the right type of home loan. Should it be a fixed or variable, full of features, or just basic, principal interest repayments, or interest only? Some things to think about include your career plans and prospects, the likelihood that you will move into that period to a new home, or whether you're planning to start or add to your family or your investment plans. A good mortgage broker will talk you through these with you to determine the finance package that's in your best interest. So as a free bonus, your mortgage planner, number one, I'll help you with a strategy to select your ideal home loan. Number two, I'll set up a basic action plan to achieve your financial goals. Number three, a plan to pay off your mortgage in record time. Number four, learn how to save thousands of dollars on interest on your home loan. And number five, we'll set up a basic money management program and a coaching program for you. And number six, we incorporate annual reviews, maybe each 2 years, to see if your home loan is still the best.